Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. My name's Stephanie. Y'all, I got my Scentbox subscription for the month. I thought we quick unbox it or unbag it. This is what it looks like. And I already opened it and I sort of ruined the bag. I think I can probably reuse it maybe again. I like to recycle these. So let's see what we got. First of all, they send you a card and it has the his and hers scent of the month. What that is they're just trying to call attention to certain fragrances that you might want to try. All right, so for her, we have Jimmy Choo Illicit, and it says, designed for women who are tempting, selective, risk-taking, and totally in control. Illicit embodies the daring spirit of women or of a woman who is hypnotic, attractive, and living life to the fullest. Wow, can we say marketing BS? The notes are bergamot, water lily, mandarin, and cedar, and this is what it looks like. And yes, I think that entire paragraph was a load of horse doo-doo. They're basically saying that if you call yourself seductive and you're risk-taking and that you're attractive and hypnotic, this is for you. And if you don't like this, maybe you're not those qualities. Yeah. I just honestly, I mean, it doesn't describe the fragrance. The notes describe the fragrance. I just think it's funny. Okay, for him, it is a Mont Blanc Legend Spirit, and it says its aromatic, woody composition begins with a vibrant and refreshing blend of bergamot, pink pepper, and grapefruit. A cool aquatic accord rules the heart, which is mixed with aromatic tones of lavender and cardamom. That's a little more descriptive of the actual fragrance. This is what it looks like. So again, these are just called out as suggestions for you. Maybe you'd be interested in either trying them in your scent of the month or purchasing a full-size bottle. So here's my box. This is what it looks like month to month. Your first box, you get a really nice, cute little box. Well, it's a little bigger. It's about this big. Honestly, I never have used it again. This is how they ship each month. Your atomizer comes in there. See if I can get this open. Ooh, pretty. I like this. It's a pink one. Okay, so there it is. That's what it looks like. So let's check my packing. Let's see what I got. I decided to go with, this is from Givenchy, and it is Dahlia Divin Eau Initiale. Yeah, I can't speak French. Okay, so this is what it is. You just turn it. Your atomizer pops out. This pops out. That is your month's supply. This is enough for about 2, maybe 3 spritzes per day. Ooh, I kind of like that. And if you don't like what you chose, let's say I spray it and I go, ugh, you do get a free exchange, which I think is great. I do have fragrance on, so let's see here. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to put 1 spritz on here. Okay. Oh, Oh, I do like that. Okay. So again, this is Givenchy. Oh, I like that. It's light, airy, vibrant. What a great scent. Okay, and I'm sure it probably has some of my favorite notes in it. Jasmine, white jasmine. I tend towards trying fragrances that have jasmine in it. It's one of my favorite scents. So yep, this is what it looks like. Now make sure you guys, you keep the atomizer top on. I have told you guys stories before. I've lost where this unscrewed, it was a little loose. It dumped basically all over my work bag. My work bag smelled amazing, but I lost an entire month's fragrance. So the nice thing about these little things is, honestly, you can put this in your purse, even if you've got a little clutch for the night and you want to take this and respritz yourself. Super easy. I mean, they're basically the size of a lipstick. So really nice. Now you can, of course, choose to purchase the full-size fragrance. The nice thing is you do earn some points, so to speak. Every month of your subscription, you earn a little bit, and you just build these points or dollars basically up. You can use it towards purchasing full-size bottles, which I think is really nice. Now, they have a bunch of different options. I have been subscribed most recently to their premium. They have a base subscription, a premium subscription, and then they've gone up and beyond there. I'll put all the information down below because it's changed a little bit. They have different levels, and it's basically dependent on, honestly, how much a full-size bottle would cost. You know, that's the level of what you can find under your subscription level. So when I started at that base level. tried out a whole bunch of fragrances at that level. And then when I kind of ran out of ones I wanted to try, that's when I bumped up. Okay. So you can also get like 2 fragrances per month. Maybe you want to get a his and hers, 2 for you, 1 for you and a friend, family member. You can do that. All right. At each level. So that's kind of nice. So yeah, and these look a lot different each month. They can be completely different colors. I've gotten a ton of these. And honestly, I wish they would let us resend them back and recycle them, but they don't. I just put them in a recycle because the atomizer this is glass. And then the rest of it's actually metal. So yep, that's what I got for the month. Let me know what you thought. Have you ever tried it? Again, it's Givenchy, and it is, I'm gonna slaughter this. Dahlia Divin Eau Initiale. And I can't speak French, so I slaughtered it, but I like the smell. It smells really nice and fresh. To me, it doesn't smell, it says that it's an EDT, so it's an eau de toilette, which is why it's not a really strong smell. It's one that's going to fade, and I probably would have to take with me throughout the day to refresh the fragrance, because those EDTs or eau de toilettes are not like super potent. I really try to go for the parfums, eau de parfums or parfums, because they're going to be much more potent. 2 sprays are going to get you through the day. The EDTs, not so much. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts. Are you subscribed? Are you enjoying your subscription if you are? Or are you considering this? Let me know. Have a great one, guys. I'll let you go. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.